Hey, it's Peter Dulé from Conversion Giant, and if you sell products online, you need to make sure your listings are showing up in Google's free product listings, a completely free way for your products to get more visibility and sales online. Today, I'll show you how to check if you're opted in and how to maximize your chances of appearing in Google's organic shopping results. All right, first things first, you want to go over to Google Merchant Center Next and make sure that we are actually opted in to the Google free listings. You just open up your Merchant Center Next account, go down here to marketing on the left, look at free listings. When you open this page up, you look down at the bottom and you will see your products are not showing in free listings across Google if you are not opted in. So if you see that, you want to click the button to start showing products. You click the button and then you should see a green check mark after. Once you've done that, you're all set. This all assumes that you have a Google Merchant Center feed set up through your e-commerce website.
Now let's talk about what else you need to do in order for your products to show up on Google. Okay, the first thing we want to do is go in to Google Merchant Center and make sure that your product feed is set up and approved. To keep this video focused on free listings, we won't tell you how to set up a product feed, but there is lots of documentation from Google and your e-commerce cart provider that will show you how to do that. Once you have it set up, you want to go into Google Merchant Center and check under the diagnostics tab to make sure that your feed and your products are approved. You'll also be able to see if there's any issues with the account itself. Next, you want to make sure that your product data within the feed is optimized. So having high quality images, detailed descriptions, and accurate pricing will also help you improve your visibility and the likelihood that your products show up. You also want to be descriptive in your product title in the feed as well. Next, ensure that your website is crawlable. Most are, but sometimes there are problems in making sure that your website is in fact crawlable by Google. And the last thing you want to do is use structured data markups. Structured data markups are little snippets of code that go on your website. They talk specifically to search engines like Google. Google likes to see schema markups on your website, and you can use those for your product pages, which help Google really understand precisely information that is being displayed on your website about that product. So similar to the information that's in the feed, another way of getting that to Google is by putting that in the schema markup. If you have any questions with any of this, you can definitely go to support.google.com/merchants, and you can learn all about product feeds and how to make sure that they are optimized for your listings. In 2025, many Google search results for e-commerce products are being replaced with these free shopping listings. So following these steps will give your products the best chance to show up there, bringing in extra traffic at zero cost. Now, if you need help optimizing your listings or scaling your e-commerce ads, visit conversiongiant.com, and we'll see you next time.